Choi Street. Now let's turn to UN Street Market, and this street is known as the Goldfish Market of Hong Kong. You can see here in almost every shops the fish for aquariums or rabbits. So simply we can see the pets. It's lunchtime, so people having their lunch at the restaurants. The aquarium plants and also the goldfishes. What this is here, sit hand down, we are with animals. So let's explore more. Something here as you see, some cats, dogs. Here in the shop, we can see that some hamsters and rabbits. Yes, as you can see that aquarium fishes are sold here. Special goldfish. Mermaid koi set. Here also we can see very big fishes. Some accessories. Let's have a look from outside because they're not closed inside the shop. So let's have a look. What they have. Gecko or Gechko, as you can see. And here, turtles in this shop. Goldfish. Goldfish. Yeah, really amazing. Gorgeous. This one looks like a very special cat here. But it seems that's really a small and good cat because it doesn't need emotions. Hello, how are you? Good?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, have a nice day. Good. Thank you. Yes, and these are the snacks for the lunchtime.